Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Nezuko Contacts is probably one of the most sought-after anime-inspired accessories for cosplayers and fans alike, offering a unique way to embody your favorite characters with striking visual effects that capture the essence of their personalities and iconic looks, making them an indispensable addition to any dedicated fan's collection. Number 5. LUMIFY Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Are your eyes looking tired and red? LUMIFY is here to help you achieve brighter-looking eyes. It's a simple solution for a common problem. Experience the difference with our fast-acting formula. It starts working in just 1 minute to reduce redness. Get the relief you need, quickly. Enjoy brighter-looking eyes that last. Our redness reliever provides results for up to 8 hours. Keep your eyes looking their best throughout the day. This gentle formula is designed to effectively reduce redness without causing irritation. It's suitable for daily use when you want to refresh your eyes. Achieve visibly brighter eyes in no time. LUMIFY is your go-to solution for a refreshed and revitalized appearance. See the difference for yourself. Don't let red eyes hold you back. Our specially formulated eye drops target redness effectively. Rediscover the natural beauty of your eyes. What we like. Experience instant relief from red eyes. It works in just 1 minute and lasts for up to 8 hours, giving you brighter-looking eyes all day. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution for occasional eye redness, this is the one for you. What people say. Within about a minute, my eyes look noticeably whiter and less irritated. And the effect actually lasts for hours, up to around 6 to 8 hours. It uses a low-dose ingredient, brimonidine, that targets redness more directly, which is why it seems to work better than typical drops. The drops work really quickly. Within a minute or two, my eyes look noticeably whiter and less red. I like that the formula is gentle and non-stinging, and it doesn't make my eyes feel dry or heavy like some older redness drops. Number 4. Biotrue Multipurpose Contact Solution. Introducing Biotrue Multipurpose Contact Solution, designed for optimal lens care. It provides a comprehensive cleaning and conditioning experience for your lenses. This advanced formula effectively cleans, conditions, and hydrates your contact lenses. Experience superior comfort and clarity throughout the day. It disinfects your lenses, removing protein, dirt, and debris. Ensure a hygienic and comfortable wear with every use. This is your all-in-one solution for contact lens cleaning and storage. It simplifies your routine while ensuring your lenses are well maintained. Get this convenient 2 fluid ounces pack for your daily needs. It's the perfect size for travel or everyday use, keeping your lenses fresh and clean. What we like. This solution cleans, conditions, and hydrates your lenses for optimal comfort. It effectively removes protein, dirt, and debris, ensuring clear vision and healthy eyes. If you want a comprehensive care solution for your contact lenses, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It keeps my lenses feeling fresh and comfortable all day, doesn't irritate my eyes, and really does a great job cleaning and disinfecting. Gentle on eyes, no irritation, even on long wear days. Great cleaning power, removes buildup and protein well. Number 3. Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit. Introducing the Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit, designed for your convenience on the go. Keep your lenses clean and safe wherever your adventures take you. This portable kit includes everything you need: a cleaner, washer, mirror, tweezers, and a remover tool. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for maintaining your contact lenses. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. You can now ensure your lenses are always clean and ready to wear, even when you're outdoors. Never be without your lens care essentials again. This kit thoughtfully includes a mirror, tweezers, and a remover tool for effortless lens handling. Maintain optimal hygiene for your contact lenses with the included cleaner and washer. It ensures your lenses are fresh and comfortable for daily wear, no matter where you are. The durable case securely holds your contact lenses, solution bottle, and all necessary tools. Travel with confidence knowing your lenses are protected and accessible. What we like. Keep your lenses clean and safe wherever you go with this portable kit. It includes a mirror, tweezers, and a remover tool, along with a solution bottle. If you're a frequent traveler or need a convenient solution for on-the-go lens care, this kit is perfect. What people say. It literally has everything I need to keep my lenses clean and comfortable when I'm out and about: a portable contact box, a mirror, tweezers, a remover tool, and even a solution bottle. The compact design is perfect for tossing into my purse or backpack, and the blue color is just cute enough to make me smile every time I use it. The case comes with all of the amenities that would help remove and put in contacts. I appreciate the cleaning case that came with the whole set. I'm in love with the rose gold color and paw print design on the front. The plastic does feel very strong, and the quality of plastic doesn't feel cheap. Number 2. MIKIWI Manga Lashes. Achieve a natural, Japanese-inspired look with these false eyelashes. They are designed to enhance your eyes subtly and beautifully. Embrace the spiky, anime-inspired aesthetic. These lashes add a dramatic yet playful flair to your gaze, perfect for any look. Experience comfortable wear with the clear band design. It ensures a seamless blend with your natural lash line for all-day comfort. Elevate your cosplay with these authentic-looking lashes. They are the perfect accessory to complete your character's transformation. Get a value pack of 4 pairs of these versatile false eyelashes. You'll have plenty to experiment with and wear for various occasions. Applying them is a breeze, even for beginners. Get stunning results in just a few simple steps. What we like. Achieve a natural yet striking look with these Japanese-style false eyelashes. Their spiky design offers a subtle anime-inspired flair, perfect for cosplay or everyday wear. If you desire a touch of dramatic flair without a heavy feel, these are a fantastic option. What people say. Each pair of lashes has lasted me months, and it comes with several. They're cute, wispy, and light. They're not too thick, exactly what I was looking for. These lashes are perfect cause the strip is thin so it bends really easy, and the lashes themselves are really cute too. Number 1. Refresh Contacts Eye Drops. Are you experiencing discomfort from dry eyes? Refresh Contacts provides soothing relief for your tired eyes. If you wear contact lenses, you know how important comfort is. These drops are designed to keep your lenses feeling fresh and comfortable all day long. Enjoy lasting hydration that combats dryness. Its sterile formula ensures gentle and effective care for your eyes. This convenient 0.4 fluid ounces bottle is perfect for on-the-go relief. Keep it with you for comfort whenever you need it. Trust in a gentle, sterile solution for your eye care needs. It's designed for optimal comfort and safety. What we like. Find immediate comfort for your dry eyes with this soothing formula. It's designed to enhance comfort while wearing contact lenses. If you suffer from dry eyes and wear contacts, this is a must-have for comfortable all-day wear. What people say. The color payoff is amazing, it really makes my eyes pop. Super comfortable to wear, I barely notice them throughout the day. The design is so unique and realistic, they look just like Nezuko's eyes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.